Gold bars feel like myth-made metal, so let me separate legend from reality. Myth. Gold is alchemy, turning lead into treasure. Fact. Gold bars start with ore or recycled scrap, and it's chemistry plus a lot of heat. Miners crush rock, then refine with smelting, and sometimes electrolytic processes to isolate gold. Recyclers melt jewelry, electronics, even dental scraps, then refine to high purity. Myth. A bar is just melted gold poured in a mold. Fact. First comes purity. Refineries aim for 99.99%, 4 nines. They dissolve impure gold in acid, pass electricity through it, and plate ultra-pure gold onto cathodes. That's electrolytic refining, the gold standard for, well, gold. Myth. You eyeball purity. Fact. Assay teams test it. A tiny sample goes to a fire assay, basically a miniature smelt for a precise reading. They back it up with XRF scanners and sometimes spectrometry. If it hits spec, it moves on. If not, it goes back in the pot. Myth. Every bar looks the same. Fact. There are poured bars and minted bars. For big bricks, think 400-ounce good delivery bars. The refinery melts granules in a furnace around 1,100 degauss, skim impurities, then pours into preheated graphite molds. The cooling leaves those ripples and swirls you've seen in movies. Smaller investment bars, 1 Oz to 1 kg, often start as cast slabs rolled into sheets. A stamping press punches out blanks, then a press mints crisp edges and designs. That's why minted bars look razor sharp while poured bars look organic. Myth. Stamps are just decoration. Fact. Each bar gets laser engraved or stamped with purity. 99.9 purity close-up, weight, the refinery mark, and a unique serial number. An assay certificate or sealed blister pack ties that serial to test data, creating a paper trail buyers can trust. Myth. You cool gold in water for dramatic sizzle. Fact. Controlled cooling is key, air or specific quench routines to avoid stress or micro cracks. Bars are weighed to precise tolerances. Edges are inspected. Surfaces may be brushed or left natural depending on style. Myth. If it's heavy, it's legit. Fact. Refineries verify with ultrasound, density checks, and sometimes drilling for destructive tests on samples. Chain of custody seals and tamper-evident packaging keep fakes out of the system. Myth. All gold sleeps in Fort Knox. Fact. Most bars circulate through accredited refineries and vaults worldwide under the London Good Delivery System, moving between banks, mints, and investors. So the recipe is simple, but not easy. Refine to 4 nines, verify with assays, shape by casting or minting, engrave identity, then secure it like it's, well, gold. That's how myth becomes metal you can hold, if you're wearing the right gloves and standing in the right factory.